Here's an app called Kikoff, build credit quickly. So just tap get and then you will be able to install it. So yes, that's how you install it on iPhone. This is the easiest way to build credit. Pay just $5 per month, no credit checks, no hidden fees, zero interest. We set up a credit account to you and report with a $750 credit line. We report your payment history to credit bureaus. Set and forget. Set up afterpay and watch your credit grow. And then you can just apply. Kikoff is the easiest way to do it. Purchase the credit building service for just $5 per month. And then you will get a credit line reported to Equifax and Experian every month. Let's just explore it. So you can get started and then you can create an account easily just with email and password. Or if you have an account, you can sign in. That's basically how you create an account.